Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure WhatsApp is current and you've granted contacts and storage permissions. This ensures group names and members load. Once done, open the app and go straight to Chats. Do not jump to Settings. Tap the search field at the top. This is where you'll query group names, members, or keywords. You're preparing the environment so your searches return accurate results rather than incomplete chats. This step saves time and prevents false negatives later. You type the group name or a distinctive keyword into search. Pick exact words to cut noise. Then, make use of the filter row. Switch between messages, contacts, and media to narrow results to matching group chats or shared files. If you need precise hits, put a phrase in quotes. Alternatively, paste an emoji to find emoji-heavy groups. These tactics reduce scrolling because WhatsApp returns chats, participants, and specific messages, making it easier to identify the group you want quickly. You open the candidate chat and tap group info to confirm members, description, and settings. This verifies it's the correct group. Once inside, use the menu search and chat for deep scans of messages or media. This helps locate a specific post or link. If you can't find expected groups, make sure contacts are synced, clear the app cache, and install any pending updates, because incomplete permissions or outdated binaries often hide groups. If problems persist, restart the phone and repeat the search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.